So before you start reading this chapter, there is a lot of wordplay and a lot of challenging vocabulary. So please focus in, listen to my voice, look at the words so that when you're listening to the chapter, you don't feel confused because there is a lot of really great vocabulary. So the first word is wreckage. And maybe you've heard of a wreckage, like of a ship, and that means the ruins or the remains or wreckage. A bystander is a person who watches, they don't get involved. If someone does something menacingly, that means they're doing it threateningly. They're doing it in a threatening way. The phrase sowing confusion. Sowing confusion. So, sowing is usually for like sowing seeds, for planting seeds. Sowing confusion means causing trouble wherever you go. It's like you're planting trouble everywhere you go, you're spreading trouble everywhere. Upsetting the apple cart. It's an idiom. There's no apple cart. Upsetting the apple cart means disrupting the peace and normal operation of things. So if you're upsetting the apple cart, you're disrupting everything. Everything was calm and normal before you got there. Wreaking havoc. Wreaking havoc means you're causing trouble and destruction. You're destroying things. Mincing words is to speak in a forceful, direct way. There's no doubt about what you mean. You're being very clear about it, and you're being very forceful about it, the way that you speak. Mincing words. Perhaps you've heard of the word dungeon. Dungeon is a dark, usually underground prison. And the last word is dank. And if something is dank, it's damp and it's musty, kind of like a cellar. Sometimes basements feel dank. They feel damp and musty. So those are your challenging vocab words. And now you're going to be heading to slide 5 to listen to chapter 5. Remember, you're only listening to half of chapter 5, not the whole thing.